Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how to identify and drop duplicate entries in your dataset. So what we mean by that is, okay, let's go to data editor and see actually what that means. So if you look at ID variable, so that is the unique identifier or the participants in your study. So the first two identifier look similar, NC0001, NC0001, but they are unique identifiers. So each person is different, must be different. So that means it is a problem in your data set, right? So that you want to remove one and keep one. You don't need the duplicate entries in your data set. Okay, so how do we identify it first? Let's write a command duplicates ID duplicates report ID. So this gives you that in the first row you see copies 1, so that for 1266 observations there's just one copy, so that means there's no duplicate entries for these observations. But we have 2 observations that are duplicates. Okay, so 2 copies for these 2 observations. So and you can also identify specifically which ones they are. So type duplicates and list. Instead of report, you type list and ID. Hit enter and you see, as I have shown you in the data editor view, the entry 1 and 2 is the same. So we want to drop it. Okay, so now we have learned how to identify and identify the duplicate entries in your data set, but now we'll see how we can drop the duplicate entries, right? So similar to the command duplicate, then drop ID. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, so it says that you need an option that is called force. Okay, hit enter. Okay, it works. So duplicate drop ID. So it says, okay, duplicate like drop the duplicate entries. So 1 observation deleted. So if you go to data editor now, you will see NC0001 just 1 time. Okay. Okay. Now also you can utilize this command to see if there's double entry or duplicate entries, and this shows that there's no duplicate entries. Okay, this is how you remove and identify and remove duplicate entries in your data set. I hope this was helpful, and if you find my channel helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.